I already installed VMware. That is very easy. Once if you downloaded from Google Drive, next it will be installed. On top of VMware, you can install Windows, any Windows operating system. I'm closing that completely. I want to build a Windows machine. Okay, on top of Windows machine, you can able to install SQL Server. It's not required. VMware is not mandatory. Directly in your laptops also you can able to install it. See, some cases if you are using Windows 10, sometimes it will support or it may not. We can't say that. We need to verify that. But if you install Server Edition, 100% you can able to install it. Create a new virtual machine, which a lot of operating systems are there, 12, 14, 12, 16, like. Go next. See, just keep it. Windows 16, I'm planning to do that. Fine. Windows 16, Windows 2016 version. Next, how much space you want, 60 GB or something like for your hard disk. That's it. I want only 40 GB, it's more than enough. Hardware. This is for hardware. These are for your computer settings. Internally in VMware, you are building the operating system, right? For that, I'm giving memory, processors, all those things I'm giving that. Okay, here processors, you want to increase for 2 processors, 2 cores. These are all hardware level. Hardware, virtually you are building that. Fine. Memory, I have given 2 GB, or you can increase for 3 GB also based on your laptop. Suppose if you have 16 GB laptop, means you can give 3 GB or 4 GB, whatever you want. Are you able to follow, right, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
For computer settings, I'm giving that. Okay, fine. Now, where the software you have to mount that. 16 I have. Go here. Go for next. This is easy only. Just for next you can go. See, go next. Normally it is easy. Operating system you are installing, but normally you guys don't know long this operating system. Why? Because of you won't get chance. Why? Already it has been installed in your laptops, right? That is the reason you no need of getting the chance for that. But in coming to the real time, you have to, some cases Windows administrators will be installing. Okay, suppose if you are joined in a product based company, you may sometimes you have to install Windows also. Some knowledge should be there for Windows operating system. Go next. Install it. Any doubts you can ask me. See here, standard edition, enterprise edition, data center edition, lot of editions are there, but topmost edition is enterprise edition. Here standard edition is some level, but enterprise edition you can choose. Desktop version, you can see that GUI basically you will get it. Go for next. Accept. Upgrade. Now go for second step. 2 partitions you can give. One is for C drive and D drive, like that. Okay. Go for next. Okay, it started installing. Once installed, it will ask for username. and password. It will ask for password. If you give the password, after that it will reboot and it will prepare a operating system. Okay, on top of Windows, this whatever version you have been installing, in this operating system, you have to install SQL Server. That is our job. Once install SQL Server, then start working. How to do, what is that, how to, what is the background, a lot of things we need to read about that. Okay, like this, see, minimize that, you can do your work also. Okay, but normally if you are installing a Windows operating system, not required to do anything. Why? Because of it will become slow. You have to wait for some time. Once it is ready, then normally you can start installing some other one also. Any doubts?
So, sir, first we have to download Windows, and on top of it, we have to download SQL Server, and then we can start working on it.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, that's it.
Okay.
First VMware you have to install it, because you guys in your laptop it won't be there. VMware, install the VMware. On top of VMware, what is the use of VMware?
That it will support multiple operating systems.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Once automatically it is restarting. It will ask for password also. It's taking that. See, okay, that is the. It is working. It's like it is running. Like this, it will be getting it. Administrator is a super user, like one capital letter, like that we can give. I'm giving normally I give like this only. This is password. Finish it. Fine. See this. Now we got a new mission. Automatically it has been see. In this we have one more. See, this is our normal laptop. In this VMware we have one more operating system. If you want to maximize this one, see what is this means. Left side these things. This one is bottom. If you want to keep it, I don't want, you can close it here. This one is maximize, this one big size will come. You can close it. What is this means? It will, it won't, it is sometimes resolution problem. These things, these three we are using normally. Okay, these are all not required for us. Just if you want to maximize this, you can maximize this. And I want to insert, see, I want to log in here. If you go here, send alt control delete, it will ask for password. Okay, bring the desktop, it is preparing the screen. First time you are logging into that machine, that is why. Yes, if you give the yes. See the data center edition, data 2016, 180 days will be there. Trial editions.